students. So today in this video we will find the mean deviation about the median. Okay, see, mean deviation we calculate by two ways. One is about median and one is about mean. Okay, one is about mean. Usually we denote mean by x bar. So what is the formula? See, this data is group data. How it is group data? Because frequencies are given, frequency column is given, it means this data is a group data. So what is the formula for mean deviation about the mean? About the mean, here it is summation fi xi minus capital M upon capital N. What is capital N? Capital N is sum of all the frequencies. Okay, sum of all the frequencies. Sorry, mean is denoted by x bar. So here it is x bar. So this is formula for mean deviation about the mean. And if they ask mean deviation about the median, then how to write? That time the formula is sum of fi xi minus capital M upon capital N. If they ask about the median, go for this formula. If they ask about the mean, go for this formula. Now observe your problem. The problem is find the mean deviation about the median. It means we will use this formula, this one. So first of all, I need the median and how to calculate the median. So we will find the median. What is the formula for median? Do you remember? Median for the group data. See, for the median for the group data depend upon your capital N. If capital N is even, then it is n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th upon 2. It means then it will be average of two middle values. If capital N is odd, then your median would be n by 2 plus 1th item. Okay, here it is item or item. Okay, once again I will discuss this in the detail. So let me write first the data. So xi data, here I will make the column xi fi xi column given 5 7 9 10 12 and 15. Okay, and frequency column given 8 6 2 2 2 and 6. Okay, so one thing, see, whenever you need median and you have the frequencies, so immediately we this column cf means what? Cumulative frequency column, cumulative frequency column. Okay, so how to write cumulative? Do you remember? First frequency as it is, then next frequency will be 8, this 8 plus this 6, 8 plus 6, it means 14. Then how to write this? 14 and then plus 2 is 16. Next 16, this plus 2, 18. After that 18 plus 2, 20, and 20 plus 6 is 26. Okay, so this is your cumulative frequency column. And same here, see what is sum of xi, means capital N value. If you add, it is also 26. Okay, and whatever here value coming, same coming this. Now capital N value came 26, which is even. Okay, even, then how to decide median? Median will be 26 by 2th item, plus 26 by 2 plus 1th item average upon 2. So you check 26 upon 2 means 13th plus 14th upon 2. What is 13th item? See, now you have to check in the cumulative frequency column. See, first item is 5, second item is 5, third item is 5. Okay, up to 8th only 5. Then what is the ninth item? Ninth item will be here. 9th item is 7, 10th item is 7, 11th item is 7, 12th, 13th item is 7, 13th item is 7, even 14th item also 7. If I ask what is the 15th item, then 15th item corresponding to this, it will be 9. Okay, so we need only 13th and 14th. So 13th 7, 14th also 7, 7 plus 7 by 2, so 7. So we got the median value is 7. We got median value 7. Now we want to calculate mean deviation about median. Okay, about median. So the formula is sum of fi xi minus m mod absolute value mod upon capital N. Okay, capital N. Here we take absolute values. Okay, I forgot to tell you, absolute values we take. So it means next column, you see what should be the next column according to formula. Then next column would be your fi, this, the next column would be xi minus m mod. Okay, it means difference from the median, and median value we calculate as 7. You see, so xi 5 minus 7 minus 2, but mod, so it will be plus 2. So just subtract smaller value from the bigger. See, median is 7, xi is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 7 0. Now 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 7 3, 12 minus 7 5, 15 minus 7, okay, 8. Next, according to formula, you need fi into xi minus m. So next column will be fi xi minus m. Fi is this value, so 8 into 2 16, 6 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 5 10, 6 into 8 48. So what will is sum of this column? Sum of fi xi minus capital M. So add all this, it is 84. It is coming 84. Now we have all the values, so put here. Your this summation came 84 and capital N is 26. So divide 84 upon 26. Okay, when you divide, you will get 3.23. So your mean deviation about the median is 3.23.